Hi guys, I'm Alice Tuma and welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare and cook viazi karai. Watch till the end, stay tuned. We first start by boiling the potatoes without peeling. When they are ready, you just peel off. When you finish peeling the potato, you put all-purpose flour in a tin. We add food color, yellow food color. Add eggs. Add salt. You mix well. Add water and then mix well. Stir until the mixture is smooth and thick. Put oil, let it heat. When everything is ready, you take pieces of potato and you dip in our mixture bowl. And now we start frying them. When they seem crunchy, just know they are ready, and we transfer them in a clean bowl. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe.